Have you ever driven on a hot summer day and noticed how the road feels sticky, soft, or even forms those bumpy ruts under traffic? That's asphalt struggling under heat, and it's a big problem worldwide. But what if I told you the solution might come from seaweed? Yes, the same ocean plant behind some desserts and petri dishes might also help build stronger, greener roads. Welcome back to the R&D Lab by Engisphere, where we turn real research papers into clear, engaging stories everyone can understand. Today's spotlight is on a fascinating study from the University of Colorado Boulder. They've been exploring agar, a natural gel taken from red seaweed, as a potential eco-friendly replacement for petroleum-based asphalt binders. Here's the deal. Traditional asphalt binders come from petroleum, which is polluting. Agar, on the other hand, is renewable, sustainable, and surprisingly tough. The researchers tested how agar behaves when mixed into asphalt, and the results? Pretty exciting. Roads with agar binders became stiffer and more resistant to heat, meaning less rutting in hot climates. They also showed durability benefits, holding up better over time. Plus, agar can be mixed at lower temperatures, which saves energy during construction. Now, it's not perfect. Agar still needs tweaks to avoid moisture issues and mixing challenges. But this research shows that with a little refinement, we could one day drive on highways held together by seaweed. So, here's the big question for you. If seaweed can help us build sustainable pavements, what other natural materials do you think could transform our cities of the future? Thanks for listening to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Until next time, keep asking questions.